I told you the weather was going to take a turn today, and it has. The winds turned around, back on shore, clouds coming in. We're watching Doppler radar. A few sprinkles already, but more rain on the way as we get into Friday and Saturday. And now part of Sunday. Models have changed the outlook for the system a little bit. So just looking at all the clouds across San Luis Obispo Airport and Pismo Beach today was a significant surge of clouds, and that pulled temperatures down. This is live right now. The 101 camera in San Luis Obispo, 60, 58 Santa Maria, 60 Santa Barbara, 56 Paso, 59 in Lompoc. You can see the winds generally under 15, though we do have a couple of places reporting 15. Now, the gusts have been there today. This is a look at Doppler radar. You can see some showers beginning to push into the area, mostly up along the north coast, out by Diablo Canyon. It looks like perhaps some showers here and up by Cambria and in the hills as well. Five Cities hasn't seen much, not yet. I do think all this activity will start sagging into the region soon. Here's Lompoc. You can see quite a bit of shower activity off the coast right now, but again, really, really light stuff. This initial band is incredibly light because it's just a moisture-starved cold front. But all of this up here, this is much more dynamic, colder, windier, more low pressure, rising air. You get the idea. So again, this first front sliding past us, but the larger trough sweeps into the area as we get into later tomorrow and Saturday. Saturday, I think on and off showers essentially all day long. Friday is possible too. Now, as we get into Sunday, again, this trough looks like it's going to linger a bit, so we've extended the rainfall opportunities. I don't think any of the rain is going to come down really prodigiously because this doesn't have a lot of moisture to work with, even when this trough is right on top of us. This is not an atmospheric river system, so even though it's a multi-day event, it is this kind of moisture-starved, unstable, and cold. Now, I'm sure you've seen some of the headlines about this being a whopper storm for the Sierra, with some potential places seeing up to 70 inches of snow. That's essentially what the modeling is saying here. This is going to be huge at higher elevations. But locally, I don't think it's going to be that much of an issue. Now, as we get into our modeling here, you can see how we've got some showers overnight spreading through the area. Tomorrow morning, it's on and off. But timing any one of these showers is incredibly difficult. So here's the thing. We're going to see on and off shower potential all the way through Friday, all the way through Saturday as well. It's not going to rain every single second, but if you just take a look at your phone and you look at the icons, it'll look like nonstop rainfall. So when you add all of it up, it's light amounts to a ½ an inch in the interior, ½ an inch to 1 inch for the south coast, and all of this green band in here. Slow might see more than an inch of rain, but probably not 2 inches of rain. On top of that, the winds are really going to start cranking up as well. We're going to see the winds 25 to 40 miles per hour, especially at higher elevations and in the interior. And for places not in an advisory, it's going to be downright breezy the entire forecast, the entire weekend. So this advisory starts tomorrow night, 20 to 30, gusting to 50 miles per hour. Right now, the waves are very flat, but again, we're going to see a lot of surge of energy moving into the area. So we have an advisory for waves as well until Monday at 4 a.m. 10 to 18 footers will start developing over the course of the forecast. There's the extended. You can see 50s for highs. The one other note of change, I've extended the dry period from Monday all the way through Wednesday, with Thursday rainfall arriving again. So that's good news for the California primary.